Now, I don't need to know the skills of English writing because I'm too lazy, but I can make money through AI writing. Over $1,000 in passive income every day. This article you are reading, blog articles written about website SEO. Doesn't this article look very professional? And this software can describe black keywords, thick black color. This is more conducive to Google search. It does all the SEO work for you automatically. And also added some questions about this topic. Also good for Google searches. Today I will share to blog sites. Websites I have never shared. His traffic reached 139 million. Such a huge traffic pool. If your article can be published on his platform, your traffic must be infinite. Second blog site. Even though the traffic is not huge, it only has 50 to 70 million traffic. It can also attract a lot of Google traffic. Do you want to know if a blogger who is not good at writing in English, how to create a professional blog post, publish to a free publishing blogging platform, crazy traffic? Can you earn thousands of dollars a day in passive income through affiliates? Even if you don't have any products, you can do it without fans. If you are interested in today's topic, don't miss today's video. Let me first write the theme for me from Chat GPT. Mangle's Alliance is an alliance about website SEO. You just need to register to come to his alliance. I just need to click on the affiliate link on the left, copy your link, post to blog. It's that simple. But first I have to write a blog by checking GPT. Today I asked ChatGPT to write 20 topics about website SEO. I need these questions. I can write an article like this just by copy and pasting. This is a creative website that can write with AI. After I log into this website, click Create, then here you can see how to create a blog post with one click. What you just saw above about SEO topics. I copy the titles of these articles, and this keyword is about SEO. And I like the second title better. It's also about the secret exploration of SEO keywords. Changed to a second title. There is another keyword. Add 2 keywords. Select language is English. Just choose the length of your article. Here I just choose a smaller length. Already 600 to 1,200 characters. If you write longer, you can see that there are 3,000 to 5,000 characters. What tone do you want to choose for this article? My request is more professional, so I used a professional. Also, what kind of model do you use to write it? GPT 3.5. It's enough for you to choose the first one. Which level of person do you want to write in? Choose the second one. Who should read these articles of yours? How readable is it written? The country your article is about. Something you want to emphasize in your article. Or you want to add a phone number or contact information. Then add some AI pictures you want to add below. This requires a fee, but I can go through another website. AI pictures can be created. You can save this money. The last and most important point is SEO. That is when you publish this article on your blog. Keywords to help you get more traffic. I just need to click to generate these keywords. Automated generation. Click here which topic you want to add below. Choose the second one. Which type do you need? After filling everything out, I just click Run. You can see that this article has started to be generated here. I see this article has been generated. I can click to open. You can see that he has described its keywords. This is more beneficial to Google's search engine. Very detailed content above. Very detailed and professional. I just need to click on this edit symbol. You can see that your keywords are displayed here. The higher the total score, the higher the SEO score of your article. The third step below. I come to the blog to post articles. Substack blog site. Its traffic is actually not very large. Let's take the topic I wanted to discuss just now. Paste here. To write the whole article. Paste it in directly. I can also add some pictures so that the click-through rate will be higher. How are these pictures created? I came to Leonardo.ai. Click this to create a picture. You need to enter the full name of SEO, because what I do is related to this topic. So you can generate a lot of different images. Choose a 16:9 ratio. You can also choose 9:16 ratio. Let me generate a picture. This picture also looks very SEO topic. If you are still not satisfied, you can also continue to generate new. Just click on these images to download them. Upload it here. Then publish this article. Why didn't I add an advertising link? It's best to create your account first and have a certain number of fans. After the article is finished, if you want to add an advertising link, go to the Alliance and find this link. Copy the link and don't put it directly in the article. This way others will know it is an advertising link at a glance. So use this bit.ly URL shortening website. Paste it in directly, then shorten it, because I have created this link before. So he can show that I have created. I just need to click to copy the generated short link. I click to copy this short link, only when publishing. This link was added, so you can see it shows that there is this link in it. When you start, I think it's best if you don't do publicity. First, publish more of these articles about SEO. Now I come to the second blog site. The traffic of this website is also quite huge. There are 179 million traffic. I can click on this to post text. Of course, this article I just wrote. Paste here. He pasted the entire article in. Want to upload a picture? Enter. You will see a picture option. I just made it. Upload this picture here. Continue to add more pictures. This way the article will look more professional. These images were loaded successfully. I can publish it. I can still see it over here. Add keyword tags. The purpose is to benefit Google's search rankings. Click this edit button. Click here to see left column. I see that there are many keywords displayed here. These keywords are the keyword tags for your article. You can copy it, put it in your article. A keyword is that I can continue to enter SEO and there will be more keyword choices. Continue to use these keywords. Put it all here in the article. Of course, you must add your affiliate link. The shortened URL just now has been shortened. Then put it in the article. Put it below. You can see that after you paste it in, his link is already displayed. Such an advertisement. I just need to publish now. Display successful release. You are here in your left column. You can see the article you just posted. You can click to see. This article has been published successfully. If you want more traffic, you must publish more articles. If Google search engine searches for your article, that way you can use Google and Tumblr to get a steady flow of traffic. Today's website has these 3 websites. I just used the first AI writing website. There are also 2 blog sites. As long as you can insist on publishing articles every day, then the traffic will naturally come to your website to earn a steady stream of income. If today's video content, if it can be of some help to you, I hope you can give this video a free like. If you have any problems with operation, you can tell me through the message area below. If you have the latest creative ideas, I will also share it with you as soon as possible. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next issue.